A very fine good morning to all. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, multiples and factors. Chapter number 3, multiples and factors. Let's start. Revati has a hobby of collecting her friends' photographs. She wants to paste the photos in an album she purchased. She makes some arrangements. Let us see the arrangement she made. Everyone has hobbies, you know. My hobby is reading books. My brother's hobby is playing. All of us have hobbies. We all have taken interest in any of the games or traveling. Similarly, Revati has a hobby of collecting friends' photographs. She wants to paste the photos in album she purchased. Okay, let's see her arrangement. All the photographs in one row. Friends' photograph 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And another arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 rows. And each row there are 3 photos, and here 1 row and there are 6 photos in 1 row. Is it clear? Sure. So now see, when we multiply any 2 or more numbers, we get a product. You know, when we multiply any 2 or more numbers, we get a product. Each number is the factor of the product. Every number is the factor of product. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. Is it clear? See. Arrangement. हमने 6 photos की arrangement कैसे की? 1 into 6, 6. 2 into 3, 6. So, what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. Okay. So, smallest factor is 1. The largest factor is the number itself. Is it clear? And 6 is a multiple of 1, 2, 3 and 6 also. Okay. It will more clear to you. Let's move further. A factor is a number that can divide another number exactly. फैक्टर एक वो नंबर होता है जो बेटा दूसरे नंबर के साथ कंप्लीटली डिवाइड हो जाए विदाउट लिविंग द रिमाइंडर. नो रिमाइंडर मीन्स रिमाइंडर विल बी 0. इज इट क्लियर? आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अ वेरी इजी वे टू फाइंड द फैक्टर्स. ओके, श्योर. 24 इज डिविजिबल, कंप्लीटली डिवाइड हो जाता है 24. किन से? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. And the number itself completely divide without leaving remainder. So that is called a factor. Is it clear? Sure. I am going to tell you the easiest way in the exercise. Now see, properties of factors and multiples. One is the factor of every number, and every number is a factor to itself. I told you in the 6th, 1 is the factor of every number. Is it clear? The smallest factor is the 1 and the greatest is the number itself. And every number is a factor to itself. जिसका भी factor निकालोगे, is it clear? वो number तो आएगा ही. Factor of number is always less than or equal to the number. Factor of number is always less than or equal to the number. You have find फैक्टर ऑफ 6, 1, 2, 3 एंड 6. सो फैक्टर्स हमेशा या तो उस नंबर के इक्वल होंगे, 6 तक है, या उससे छोटे ही होंगे, नॉट ग्रेटर देन. इज इट क्लियर? एवरी नंबर एक्सेप्ट 1 हैज एट लीस्ट 2 फैक्टर्स. एक्सेप्ट 1, एवरी नंबर हैज 2 फैक्टर्स. इज इट क्लियर? फैक्टर्स ऑफ नंबर्स आर फिनाइट. इट्स फिनाइट मीन्स बाउंडेशन है. फैक्टर्स एक लिमिट के होंगे. इज इट क्लियर? इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द मल्टीपल्स. Let's start with multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1 and every number is a multiple to itself. अपने आप का वो multiple होगा. Multiples are always greater than or equal to the number. Multiples क्या होंगे? Greater होंगे या equal to the numbers. Multiples of numbers are countless. क्या होते हैं? Countless. See, what do you mean by the multiple? See here. See, multiples of 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, so on. They are countless. चलते जाएंगे. 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, countless. 3, like this you have to write. Okay, these all are the multiples. Okay, is it clear? So, now see. The multiples, the smallest multiple is the number itself and the largest multiple we don't know. It's countless. That's why here mentioned the multiples of numbers are countless. Or multiples of numbers are always greater than or equal to the number. हमेशा क्या होंगे? Greater होंगे या equal होंगे. Okay? Here the 24 are circled. It's another topic, but please pay proper attention about the multiples. We have written here the table of 2. They are countless. Starting with the number itself and countless. Starting with number itself, countless. Okay? So multiples start with the number and they are always greater than that number. But the factors is the smallest is 1. They are always equal or less than that number. Okay? Is it clear? Sure? Yes, now firstly moving to the factors and multiples questions. I have told you about the factors, the number which is completely divisible without leaving in remainder. So question number 1 of practice time 1 is write the factors of the following. So here is the solution. See, we have to write the factors of 36. So starting from 1, 1 times 36, 36. अब 2 की टेबल पर जाता है. You know, यहाँ पर क्या आ गया? Even नंबर तो ये 2 की टेबल पर जाएगा. 2 18s are 36. अब बच्चे कहेंगे मैम आपको कैसे पता चला कि 2 की टेबल पर 18 पर जाएगा? जस्ट डिवाइड कर लो. 36 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 60. Is it clear? Sure? Now 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36. 5 पर नहीं जाता. 6 6 are 36. अब सेम ही नंबर रिपीट हो गया. इज इट क्लियर? सेम नंबर है तो हम आगे नहीं चलेंगे. 7 7 आ जाता, 8 8 सेम ही आ गया तो आप वहीं पर ही स्टॉप हो जाओ. नाउ स्टार्ट राइटिंग द फैक्टर्स फ्रॉम अप टू डाउन, देन डाउन टू अप. 1 2 3 4 6. Here again 6, no need to write. 9 12 18 36. Is it clear? So you observe the smallest factor is 1, the largest factor is the number itself. Okay beta? Clear? Well done. Moving to 18, factor of 18. Yes, 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. 4 पर चलो, 4 पर नहीं जाता, not 5, 6 3s are 18. Same repeat हो गया. 3 6 और 6 3s. Okay, so stop here. No need to move further. Just go up to down. 1 2 3 6 9 18. Is it clear? Smallest is the 1, largest is the number itself. Okay, sure? Sure? Very good. Now moving to the second question. Find the first 10 multiples of the following. आपको first 10 multiples लिखने हैं. Means you have to write the table of 5 up to 10. Table of 9 up to 10. Is it clear? Sure? So 5 multiples. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Like this you have to write. See. Okay, you have to write the multiples of 10. First 10. Multiples of 5. First 10 multiples of 5. Like this you have to write. Is it clear? Sure? So similarly you can write the multiples of 9, 16 and 21 also. Sure, now come to the basic terms used in this chapter. See, prime numbers and composite numbers. A number which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, is called prime number. In other words, prime number is the number that always come in its own table, अपनी ही टेबल पर जाए और किसी की टेबल पर ना जाए, और उसके सिर्फ दो ही फैक्टर होंगे, 1 and the number itself. Okay? See 19. 19 has only two factors, 1 and 19. So it's a prime number. And the number which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. Okay? जिनके दो से ज़्यादा factors होंगे. Not. Beta 1 is neither prime nor composite, as it has only one factor itself. Is it clear? But prime number has only two factors and composite has more than two. But here 1 is only one factor, that is 1. So it is neither prime nor composite. And 2 is the only even prime number. Other prime numbers are odd, but 2 is the only even prime number. Is it clear? Sure? Now let's see, list the prime numbers between 1 and 50. So you have to write the prime numbers between 1 and 50. Prime numbers means the numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Okay? So with these we have completed 1 to 3 questions of practice time 1. In our next class we are going to do the divisibility rules. Okay? Is it clear? So with these, thank you very much. Have a nice day.